Hey folks, Jonathan here. Getting ready to go get this next, I don't know what you would call it, garage find maybe. And Charlie, that I'm getting it from. Do what?
Some of the parts.
Yeah, some of the parts. He's brought some of my parts over for me. Garnish moldings and fender wells, and that's the floor pan for the center. The steering column. Some pedals, some headlights. 4 headlights there. Front bumper. Radiator, as you can see, is a flathead V8. Most of you are going to nail that. Starter, well, generator I mean. Just small parts, little stuff. But maybe you all can guess what it is here. Ford emblem. Windshield wiper. Now this used to be mine, and I actually sold it to Charlie. And Charlie's done a bunch of work on the body, and now we've made a deal and I've got it back. So anyway, we're going to go over and get it here in a few minutes. But here's what I got so far. We're going to get this into the under the shed. You going to get it running for him?
I said, hey, you seen why I wanted that. You seen that picture of George's, you know.
Gotta work. Well, we can make it work. We'll put a board down or something. Charlie, if it rolled that easy, why didn't you just roll it down to my house?
No, I thought about doing looking up this tractor before I get going up there.
Drag it. As long as you went slow, you'd be alright.
Everybody tried to put what the hell?
Don't hit no pothole. Alright. Boy, she's ugly. It don't matter. Alright, here's some more parts. Now I originally bought that truck And there is what the door had on it. PD Club Beverages out of Wadesboro, North Carolina. And I actually bought it in Wadesboro. PD Bottling Company. These are all extra parts and pieces. So, all right. Let's get this thing to Charlie's, or to Charlie. Let's get this thing to the house here. You know, these things are so ugly, they're cute. And I do have a grill for the front there. Okay, folks, we got her home, got her unloaded. Kind of tough to get off myself, but we got it. Okay. Like I said, we got loads of parts for this thing, but I wanted to tell you the story on this. You seen the door, PD Beverage Company. I bought this truck probably 15 years ago at a estate auction in Wadesboro, North Carolina, which was where this was actually used at. And it had been sitting in the woods. I think they quit running it because it was wrecked on this side. Fender was in, this was knocked in. It was really, really rough. So Charlie got it from me, and I had had this thing inspected, DMV, clear title in my name, sold it to Charlie. Charlie's had it for, I don't know, 11, 12 years. And he has slowly worked on it, and got most of the body work done. Didn't get the doors done. Hold just a minute for me. Walmart. Okay, so anyway, wrecked on this side, and he fixed all this, and you can see two welds where he cut this out. I think everything was replaced below it. No Bondo. Everything was welded back in it still. So, done a really good job. You can actually look at the back side of the fenders, and there's no Bondo in it. And it looks like, okay, I see what's up here. He's replaced this piece of steel because this door was shot. So I think, yeah, it's cut straight. So the rest of it has to be replaced. There is a little bit on this side that needs fixed of the door. The floor side, as you can see, it had plywood all in it. And I've got the steel hump that went in it and stuff, but if you put a engine up here, you don't have much room. But a lot of people put the engines behind the cab. There's the seat frames. But this thing was in really, really rough shape when I got it. And I mean, I just drug it out from it sitting for 50 years. I think I gave like $125 for it or something when I originally bought it. And it came with a title, but it had a North Carolina title, and the title said motor number instead of serial number, so that's why I had to get it inspected. And you know, it was kind of a pain. But anyway, he left this because he said he wasn't worried about it, because the frame he was going to set it on, it was going to actually come up over and cut down. It was going to drop down over the frame. So I don't know for sure what we're going to do yet with this. I'd like to do something with it. I do have the motorhome chassis with the 440 in it, so you never know. So anyway, it's another adventure, right? So like I said, we've got a lot of parts for it. So, and I do have a grill. I'll show you that. It's not perfect. All right, here's the grill, and as you can see, got some rust down here, and some of the bars are out. But actually, that wouldn't be a hard fix at all. And a lot of extras, a lot of parts, pieces, stuff he's picked up at car shows and stuff over the years. Just stuff that you know, to put it back together. And then we've got, like I said, plenty of headlights, and that's the inner fan shroud. So. All right, so this is one of them that is so ugly it's cute, but we'll see where this one's going to go, or what we're going to do. Of course, it had to start raining as soon as I went to move it, but I don't know. We'll figure something out. All right. Appreciate everybody watching, and until next time, bye.